Surprisingly, over the last month, Bitcoin has outperformed gold in the S&P 500, boosted by steady demand and a broader pool of money buying in to diversify into different assets. And here's what's really interesting. Apparently, futures have already been negative for the last 14 consecutive days, which is the longest streak since 2022. And when this happens, it usually coincides with bottoms. On top of that, long-term holders dramatically reduced their selling throughout February, suggesting that we might actually see a lot more stability from this point on. Although in terms of what this means for housing prices, the global economy, and what the Federal Reserve just said as of a few hours ago, here's what you came for. Because most people have absolutely no idea what's about to happen. Although before we go into that, I gotta say, one of the most important rules of investing that everyone needs to be made aware of is to never put all of your eggs in one basket. Like, for the longest time, I had a huge portion of my net worth tied up in real estate. And it worked really well until eventually it didn't. And when that happens, the smartest thing that you could do is diversify. This is why I've been paying a lot of attention lately to stocks, cryptocurrency, ETFs, and treasuries, because the goal is not to bet everything on one investment, but to build flexibility. And that's one of the reasons I've been using today's sponsor, the Gemini credit card, all the time. With this, instead of earning airline points or credit card rewards that largely go unused, I'm able to earn cryptocurrency back on my everyday purchases, turning my spending into something that has the potential to grow over time. Or in this case, I'm able to get up to 4% back on transportation, 3% back on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else with no annual fee. All you gotta do is swipe your card like you would normally, and you're able to dollar cost average into the markets without even thinking about it. Plus, this comes in 6 unique stainless steel colors. You can get black, silver, rose gold, Bitcoin orange, XRP, or the brand new Solana edition. No joke, I've been using this card now for over a year, and I'm basically just investing as I spend. And if Bitcoin isn't your thing, you can also select from more than 50 different cryptocurrencies that you could switch to at any time. Feel free to check out the description, by the way, for more information on rates and fees, and see if you're eligible with no impact to your credit score. In all seriousness, if you've been looking for a way to diversify without the headache of buying and selling, this is one of the easiest ways to do it, and you could get started today when you go to gemini.com/Graham or click the link down below in the description to learn more. Again, that is gemini.com/Graham to get started. Thank you so much. Now let's get back to the video. All right, now before we talk about what the Federal Reserve just said, what to expect for the future, and my own plan going forward, there is one more topic worth discussing, and that would be home prices.